Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Garg and welcome you all on Unacademy Catalyst. So this is Quant 100 important questions, short tricks, right? By Dipanshu Garg, and this is trick 13. So in this trick, I will explain you how to solve the questions fast, right? So first of all, some important announcement. Iconic Cat 2021, and these are the benefits of Iconic: personal mentor, test analysis and reports, OMED's preparation, and all benefits of Plus are included. And also get mentored by the graduates from top B school. These are the mentored, and these are the learners of CAT 2020 who score more than 99 plus in CAT, and these are the new batches for CAT 2021. 12th of April, Master Weekday batch for CAT 2021, Supreme Weekday batch for CAT 2021, practice with previous year questions for CAT 2021. Right. So these are the batches for CAT 2021, and weekly scholarship test on Academic Combat. Right. Win scholarships up to rupees 55 lakh. And to unlock this Unacademy Combat, apply code GURG Live to unlock this. Right. If you want to join, just download Unacademy app, just download Unacademy Learning app, and then go to the test section and then join weekly scholarship test. Right. So apply referral code GURG Live to join this. Now, now the question of last season homework question: income of a person is increased by 2400. Income let if the income is high, now income is what? Income plus 2400. And the tax rate decreased by 12% to 10%. In the previous case the tax is 12%, now the tax is 10%, and the payable tax is in the ratio 2:3. The tax in previous one and this one is the in the ratio tax in first condition and tax in second condition in the ratio 2:3. So I can say that 3 into tax 1 equals to 2 into tax in second case, right? So how to calculate tax? Income into rate, income into rate. So 3 into income I into rate 12% by 100 equals to 2 into income plus 2400 into 10% upon 100. Now now 2 100 to 100 cancel out, 100 to 100 cancel out, right? And 2 to 6 times, so 6 into 3, 18i equals to 10i plus 10 into 24, this is 24,000. So take this 10 to this side, so this is what? 8i equals to 24,000. So the value of I, is what? 3,000. If the initial income is 3,000, then the current income is what? 3,000 plus 2,400. This is 5,400. That's the answer. So this question was in your homework, right? Now, now this is trick 13, and this trick based on percentages, successive increment or decrement condition. So how to apply? How to apply this? How much percent will the area of a rectangle? This is a rectangle, and he is saying if its length and breadth, and the area is what? Length into breadth. Now he is saying length is increased by 20% and breadth is increased by 10%. So what is the change? What is the percentage change in the area? So I am taking, this is length, this is breadth, initial length and final length, right? After increment. So length is increased by 20%. 20% is what? 1 by 5. So I can say that if the initially length was 5, then after increment 5 per 1 can increment, it becomes what? 6. And breadth is increased by 10%. So I can say that 1 by 10. So increment of 1 on 10. So this becomes what? 11. So the percentage increase in the area. Area is what? Area is what? Area is what? Area is what? Length into breadth. So 5 into 10, 50. 6 into 11, 66. So the increment in the area is 16. So percentage increase कितना, 16 by 50 into 100. So 50 to 100 two times, 16 into 2, 32% increase in the area. And you can also apply, you can also solve this question with the help of formula. Percentage change equals to what? Length plus breadth plus LB by 100. So length is increased by 20%, breadth is increased by 10%, 20 into 10 upon 100. This is also the simplest one. 20 to 20 cancel out. 20 plus 10, 30, plus 2 into 1, 2. So this is 32% change. 32% increase in the area of rectangle. So this is also one another way to solve this question. Now, this is also the same type of questions. The length of cuboid is increased by 12%. Cuboid. This time this is a cuboid. Length, breadth, and height, right? And the volume of cuboid is what? L into B into H. Now, what he is saying? The length of cuboid increased by, length is increased by 12%, breadth is increased by 25%. By how much percent height is decreased? By how much percent height is decreased so that the volume of cuboid increase only by 4%? The volume of cuboid is only increased by 4%. So how to solve this question? The first way you can solve with the fractions, length, breadth, and height. Length increased by 12%, 12%, fraction of 12%, 12 by 100. This is 3 by 25. So length is increased by 12%, that means 25 to 28. Breadth 25%, 25% is 1 by 4. So this is 4 to 5. And height is decreased, but I don't know how much height is decreased. Then the change in volume is what? L into B into H. Change in volume is what? 4%. 4% means 1 by 25, that means 25 to 26. So now, what is the change in the height? How to find? So 4 7 ja 28, 5 5 ja 25. So now the change is 5 to 7. Then what is the change in height? I know the this side the height is what? This side height is what? Total volume is what? 25. So the value of height that can I put to get the value is 25. So 5 into 5, 25. 7 into 4. This is what? 1 by 25. That means 4% is what? 1 by 25. So 25 to 26. What value can I put here? By that 7 to 26. 7 3 are 21, around this, but this value is in fraction. Then what can I do? There is another way. Also the another way. If I apply the formula, one is length, breadth, and height. So first, I am finding out the change in length into breadth. So length is increased by 12%, 12, and breadth is increased by 25%. Then the total change is 12 into 25 by 100. So 25 say 4 times, 4 say 3 times. 12 plus 25, 37 plus 3, 40%. Length into breadth, change in length into breadth is 40%. But now, I know the change in volume. How to find change in volume? Apply the formula with length into breadth with height plus length into breadth into height upon 100. So again you will get equation. Change in volume is 4%. 1 second. Change in volume is 4%. Change in length into breadth, this is 40%, plus height plus 40 into height upon 100. Now you will get the value of height. So take 42 this side. 4 minus 40, this is 36, equals to h plus 40 20 2 ja 40 20 5 ja 100. So 2 by 5 h, right? So take LCM. This is 5h plus 2h upon 5. Now the change in height is what? 36 into 5 upon 2 into 5. 2 plus 5, 7h. So this is divided by 7. So now you will get 36 into 5, 180 divided by 7. This is 180 by 7% decrease in the height. You will also get the answer from this, but you have to multiply the number, that is 26 by 7. Now you have to take changes in the height, but the answer in fraction. So this is little bit difficult to solve by this, right? So this is a effective formula for this type of questions. Okay. Now this question is for your homework. Everyone try to solve this question in homework, and this is the same type of questions, right? So everyone try to solve this question in homework. So thank you everyone. Now like and subscribe to this channel. Stay notified for the most amazing content on the MBA world. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.